AutoDS coupon code. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we're going to talk about AutoDS. And if you guys want to get started with AutoDS, make sure to click the link in the description below to get started with a 30-day free trial. So as you can see on our screen right now, in AutoDS, there are different plans for different platforms. And if you want to purchase a specific plan and you want to have a discount, you could utilize a coupon. So simply select the plan that you want here. For example, eBay. You could buy a plan, select a specific package, and simply click on I have a coupon over here. And after that, simply type CP_20, click on validate. And as you can see, you now have a coupon that you will be able to use when you purchase an AutoDS plan. So that's basically it, guys. If you consider leaving a like and subscribe, thanks for watching.